Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your carrier plan permits personal hotspot, because without that allowance, nothing will work. Once done, open Settings, go to Cellular and tap Personal Hotspot. Turn it on. Make sure you set a strong WPA2/WPA3 password and note the SSID, it uses your iPhone name. You need these credentials for clients to join. Also, make sure cellular data is enabled and you're seeing signal bars, otherwise, the hotspot can't carry internet traffic. Next, pick the connection method that fits the client device. Wi-Fi for phones and tablets, USB for a laptop, or Bluetooth when Wi-Fi isn't available. You should enable Maximize Compatibility if older clients fail to connect, because it forces 4 GHz, which is more compatible but may lower speed. Once clients start joining, watch the client list in Settings to confirm connections and monitor data usage so you don't hit caps. If speeds drop, check signal strength and carrier restriction. Finish by connecting a client device and testing browsing or a speed check so you verify internet flow. Confirm the client received an IP and can resolve DNS. If not, toggle the hotspot off and on. Make sure your iPhone stays charged. Either plug into power or enable low power mode to conserve battery while tethering. If devices cannot see the hotspot, try toggling airplane mode, updating carrier settings, or performing reset right arrow network settings. That reset often clears.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.